It's a safety toe meets ASTM safety standard requirements. Slip resistant outsole. From Skechers, made to last for work. So this is my new safety shoes for this year 2024. So I just got it, guys. I did not get start of the year in January because my shoes that time was still working fine, so I don't really needed a newer one, but this time I need one. So this is what I get. So I got the size 8.5. It's a white and gold color. Electrical hazard. When I see this on the website, oh my god, it's like, this is it. This is what I'm getting. Even though I'm really looking for the wide width, but this one really looks super cute. So I said, I want to see it. Because if I don't like it, and if it hurts my feet, or, you know, it's kind of tight or whatever the reason may be, I can always return it back to Zappos. So no worries. Let's do unboxing. My new safety shoes from Skechers. Look at that. I like the color white, and then I like the gold. You know, if you don't know, I really like gold color and blue. Those are my favorite colors, gold and blue. And of course, white. You can't go wrong with the white. But look at that. Comp toe. Look at that metallic gold. S for Skechers. And look at that design. It's super, super, super cute. There you go. And then one thing that I like also is I don't have to tie a shoelace. It doesn't have a shoelace or whatever, you know. So it's just a slip-on shoes. So yeah, that's a plus. Look at the back of the shoe. It says Skechers. Yeah. Skechers work slip resistant. Yeah, it's so cute. I like it. I like the color combination, the white and the gold. Slip resistant Skechers air cold memory foam. So there you go, US size 8.5. There you go, guys. That's how it looks like. So it's time to try it on.